Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are opening my February 2022 Medusa's makeup subscription, which is a vegan makeup subscription. It's about $18–19 a month if you pay monthly, and you get 4 to 5 cool makeup products. So let's go ahead and dig into this, but before we do, I did want to mention I am wearing the Peak Metallic Matte Naturally Quick Drying Blush in the color Hours that came in a recent box, and I think it's really pretty. It looks really natural. It was really easy to use. You only need to dab it very slightly if you're as pale as me. If you are a little deeper, you might need to get in there a little more, but I do think it'll show up on deeper skin, and I think it is really pretty. So that is what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. Now let's dig in, and we have the sticker saying we have a bonus item in here, so that's kind of cool. So as always, Medusa's makeup sends us way too much paper. So we have a leave a review card and a little advertisement for a liner pen. We have the same pamphlet that came in the last one, just advertising their makeup. Like, I have the subscription. I already am aware of your makeup. This is just wasteful. So all that crap's gonna go in the recycling. And then of course we have the card for the month. So here is our beautiful model. Let's see, do we have a theme? Vibes. Vibes is our theme. Looks like we have 5 premium beauty products valued at $73 in this month's purchase subscription. I'm guessing this is the freebie. This is the Plant Fusion Citrus Naturally Flavored Collagen Beauty Clear Skin Hydrator. So this is just a powder you throw it into a drink. Honestly, I get really frustrated when boxes send these out because I'm the kind of person that feels very obligated to use and finish things, especially food-wise. I don't know why. I just do. I mean, you guys watch my empties videos. I always feel very obligated to finish things or to get rid of them entirely. So I always end up throwing these in smoothies instead of just into water to drink them because it hides the flavor. They're usually sweetened with some kind of stevia or something natural, and it tastes weird, but I always feel obligated to use them up, and so I've got like a bunch of them just sitting around waiting for me to make smoothies, and it's so annoying because I feel obligated to use it. And I don't think they actually do anything, personally. So, yeah, that is our freebie. And this month's subscription also came in this bag, which I'm assuming they're counting as a freebie because it's not listed on the card here. I don't actually end up keeping these bags. I usually use these type of bags that come in like the vegan cuts, or like when they come with these, and I put the stuff I'm going to give away to friends. That way it's all compactly packed and I just hand it to my friend next time I see them. So yeah, I mean, the bubble wrap inside is a cute little heart print. I don't know if you'll pick up on that, but me, not that interesting. So let's go ahead and get in there. So the first item I grabbed is the Medusa's Makeup Liquid Lipstick Matte. And this is in the color Bang. So here's the packaging for that. It looks like it's going to be a really pretty pink. Oh, there's a sticker on there. So here we have this really pretty pink. Go ahead and swatch that. Oh yeah. Oh yes. I like that a lot. That's really pretty. Very, very fond of that. So pretty happy about this. I can't wait to wear this in a future video, show you guys. And the next item is from, oh, I didn't tell you about that item, did I? That's a $14 value, and it does say Bang on the card, so everyone got that same color. The next item I grabbed is from Seraphine Botanicals, and it is the Sugar Cane Lip Drops Leave On Lip Exfoliator and Primer. Leave On Lip Exfoliator. Interesting. They must have some sort of exfoliating ingredients. I don't know. Formulated with panthenol, pro vitamin B5, and carbo gum, which helps stimulate lips' natural healing process, as well as sugarcane extract, which has been known to increase cellular renewal. Interesting. So here's the product itself. It's this weird, like, bright magenta liquid. Looks like kind of like a gel. Oh yeah, that's a gel. This is such a curious product. I've never seen something like this before, so I'm really interested in using it. Feels kind of innovative. Very, very fascinating. So let me tell you a little bit about that. It is a $21 value. Whew. That's more than the cost of the box. So yeah, I'm really interested in that. Oh, it actually has a description on the card. A water-based gel that gently helps to exfoliate and retexturize lips, all without the need to rinse. And then it just goes into saying what I read off the box. That is pretty cool. I'm really, really fascinated about this product. Yeah, I can't wait to use that. Next we have, and I'm actually really glad this is in the box, a little pair of like rose gold, although I guess they lean a little more copper, tweezers. And I have one really good pair of tweezers, but I've been kind of wanting a second pair too. Just keep in the bathroom, just for whatever, like if you get a splinter or there's a rogue hair somewhere you see when you're putting on lotion or something. So I'm kind of glad we got those. Just some really cute basic tweezers. And let me see, those are a $12 value. Cool, I'm happy with that too. Next we have this really pretty like orangey eye product. Let me read, let's see. Eye Dust Duochrome in the color Ophelia. And that is a $14 value, and it's printed on the card, so everyone is getting the color Ophelia. And it actually looks a lot like that other product they've sent out in the past. It looks a lot like the Eye Dust in Pennywise, but comparing them side by side, it's more orangey, more glittery. I guess it would be more glittery because it's a duochrome. Now, let me see if I can try and swatch this. These kind of products don't tend to swatch that well, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so I made a whole mess on my desk, and the swatch is very underwhelming, like I knew it would be. These tend to need to go on top of a primer and need to be packed on better with a brush than a finger. So here is what I was able to get. A little stripe of something. You can kind of see the color. It's really pretty. So I'm excited for this too, even though I can't really swatch it for you. It is beautiful. The color is lovely. And then the last product we have is this matte eyeshadow in the color Bermuda. Here's the packaging for that. Really cool box. The box is really nice. And the color looks really dark. It's kind of throwing me off because everything in here is really springy and fun. So I'm kind of a little bit thrown off with this, but let's get it out and look at it. And let's see. Bermuda is a $12 value. It is printed on the card, so everyone is getting the color Bermuda. So here's the color. Kind of looks like a navy blue maybe. I think we'll get some clarity after I swatch it. Yeah, so that is a slightly dusty navy blue. Not dusty in giving off powder, dusty in like the appearance is a dusty version of a navy blue. But I don't know, it's kind of pretty. Not really something I have. I was gonna say much of, but I don't know that I have any navy blue, to be completely honest. I don't know. So this is definitely a curious color. I don't know that I see this as like a look, a paired up look. So it does feel a little out of left field, a little inconsistent. It feels a little like the rest of this box is getting us ready for spring and hyped for spring, even though it's only February. But then you get this color and it's like, I don't know. I wore the right outfit for it though. I've got my only navy blue on today. So yeah, it's a little confusing. But as always, I'm looking forward to trying it and showing you guys how it looks. I don't know that it's gonna look good on me. I don't know why. I just feel like this is gonna look crazy on me, but I'm excited to give it a try. And that is everything that came in the box. I'm actually really happy with this subscription. I needed tweezers, so that just, you're going to be excited about this if you happen to have needed tweezers, and you're going to be annoyed about this if you have 30 pairs of tweezers spread throughout your house. So this is kind of like a throwaway product, even though I'm very excited about it. This is such an interesting, innovative little product that I cannot wait to use. I'm so curious as to how this actually works to exfoliate your lips, but you don't have to wipe anything off. I'm just very, very curious. This lip color, it is gorgeous. I can't wait to try this on. Oh, I just know this is going to be really pretty. This duochrome eye dust is really, really pretty. The color, I love that orangey color, so I can't wait to pack this onto the eye properly so we can see how it looks, because I think it's going to be gorgeous. And this navy eyeshadow, while kind of weird, it's something I don't have, and I am very excited to try it because I don't know how a navy is going to look on my eye. I have no idea. So very fun box. And then of course we have the freebies with the strength powder and the bag, so 2 extra freebies. Can't be mad about that. Yeah, pretty good box. I'm gonna give this a solid A. This is a very, very good showing for Medusa's makeup. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will link to everything I'm wearing if I can find it within reason down below. I mean, obviously the shirt is probably like 8 years old, honestly. So I'm not gonna link to that because I'm not gonna be able to find it, but everything else makeup wise, if I can find it, I will link to it. And otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!